everyone, welcome back to my channel, Heavenly and Exceptional Living. Today have I got something awesome for you. I'm going to be making some chocolate covered strawberries, and these are so quick and easy to make. It literally takes a couple of minutes and a tiny bit of effort. You will need some lovely strawberries that have been thoroughly washed and thoroughly dried, some chocolate, dark chocolate and some white chocolate, 2 glasses in which to pour in your melted chocolate so that you can dip your strawberries in, some lovely decorations for the end, and also a baking tray with some baking paper in it so that the strawberries can set. Okay, so now I'm going to melt the chocolate first of all. I've got my water and it's simmering, so I'm going to first of all do my dark chocolate first, and you just want to make sure that it's not boiling too hard, and also that the water isn't touching the base of the bowl as well. And this is just going to take a couple of minutes, and as I said, you want to make sure that the water is not touching the bottom of the bowl, and mine isn't. It's on the bottom and it's just the steam coming out, so there we go. Looks so nice and smooth. So I'm just melting the white chocolate now, and this too is just going to take a couple of minutes. Okay, so I've got all my chocolate melted, the dark chocolate's melted, the white chocolate's melted, and it's looking nice and smooth. Now time to dip in those strawberries and then decorate it. Okay, so now at this stage some people are using toothpicks, but I'm just going to hold the strawberries gently at the stem, and then I'm going to dip it in the chocolate. So you want to dip. Make sure to gather all the leaves up at the stem, then dip it in. And there you go. And I'm going to cover some of these strawberries in some dark chocolate. Just turn the tray and proceed accordingly. This is so calming. I like it. Go. It's nice and simple. Anyone can do it. It's so nice and simple. It's like dipping strawberry goodness in chocolate goodness, and I love chocolate. I don't know about you, I absolutely love chocolate. Now we just need to do some decorating. Some of these on there. Just gonna sprinkle them on. There we go. They just look gorgeous. They were really fun to decorate. It was nice and quick and easy. And now I'm just going to put it in the fridge for the chocolate to set. Yummy, delicious chocolate covered strawberries, which were very quick and easy to make, are done. And oh my goodness, they look so delicious and scrumptious. I cannot wait to tuck in and have one. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe if you haven't done so, and also hit the like button. It literally tastes so amazing because the milk chocolate and the strawberries, so good.